on test drive the 2010 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.